Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. We gave Gemini crystal clear instructions and completely ignored them. You asked for 50 words, you got 300, you wanted bullet points, you got paragraphs. This is incredibly frustrating. The issue is usually that your instructions got buried. Models prioritize information at the beginning of a prompt, so if you put the rule at the end, it can literally forget it. The fix is simple. Move your instructions to the top and make them explicit. Then put instructions first. As for a bad writing, for example, you give a write summary about the economy, keep it to 3 bullet points, use a formal tone. You can change it into a good way, use a formal tone, write a summary in exactly 3 bullet points about the economy. The model anchors on the first clearest instruction. Then lock the format with a template if you really need to. Use explicit formatting, fences, and tell Gemini to return exactly that. Example, return only valid JSON matching this scheme. No markdown or extra text, this prevents formal draft. You can also use few short examples. Add a self-check step. For example, before returning, verify. Uh, there are exactly 3 point bullets. Is the tone formal? If not, fix it. This catches errors before you see them even. You can also declare hard failures. Tell Gemini what to do when it can't follow an instruction. If you can't meet all constraints, respond with unable to complete. Then it will give you the reason. That's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching this all in the next video.